Hi and welcome back to my channel Can Do Models. I just thought I'd do a little video about the kits that I bought from my local model show at the weekend. Right, so first up we've got this Eduard FW 190D9 148 scale weekend edition. You can see its item number is 84100. Tells you a bit about the kit here. It's 215mm long, 199mm wingspan, and is 159 parts. On this side here, it gives you paints you need, gives you a demonstration of the paint scheme. On this side and this side here is just another picture of it. I've never built an Eduard kit, so I'm actually quite looking forward to doing this one. Right, this is another Eduard kit. It's a 172 scale FW 109A-8/R2, a periphery pack edition. Now, I have been told that inside here you get photo etch, masks, foot canopy, things like that. I don't know. I've never done photo etch. I've got no idea. It says on here that it is an item number of 70112, made in Czech Republic, Eduard 2017. It doesn't tell you how big it is on here though. On this end you've got all your different schemes you can paint. Same down this side, all your different painting schemes and everything like that. And yeah, I'm right looking forward to having a go at this one, because like I say, I've never tried photo etch or anything like that, so that should be good. Next, again out of my comfort zone, a Hasegawa kit. Never have I tried anything like this. I've only ever built Airfix, to be honest. Some Rebel sci-fi kits, Star Wars and things like that, but this is really out of my comfort zone. Anyway, this is a Hurricane Mark II-B in, what's it said scale? Oh, 148 scale. Tells you down here. Model length is 204mm, wingspan's 254mm, and is 98 pieces. It's a 1999 Hasegawa, made in Japan. 148 scale Royal Air Force Fighter 09066, kit number JT66. Again, I'm quite looking forward to having a go at some of these older kits because I've never done it. And now we're back to Airfix with a Fairy Swordfish Mark I float plane, 172 scale, item number A05006. I don't know a lot about these sort of planes, anything like that. I'm pretty new to this modelling, but yeah, tells you some about it down here on this side. Got the Cartograph logo there, so really good decals, made in India. That just shows you a picture of the plane. On this side, tells you a bit more about it. It gives you 2 paint schemes and decal schemes you can do. It says it's 166mm long, 193mm wide, and it has 149 pieces. 2 flying hours, skill level 3. I am looking forward to doing that. I like these kind of planes. I like biplanes as well up there. Next we have a Hawker Typhoon Mark I-B 172 scale. Item number A02041A. On front of the box, nice box art. And you get a couple of decal design pictures on front of it. On here, you get your nice warning labels and everything like that. Cartograph decals. And it says here, model design and tooling 2013, decal schemes and pack design 2019. Ages 8+, nobody under 3 months. This just shows you a picture of it again. And here it tells you a little bit about the Hawker Typhoon. Gives you 2 decal schemes and painting schemes. 1 flying hour. Skill level 1. Length is 134mm, width is 174mm. There's a total of 74 pieces. That's nice, I like that. That'll be good. Next, a Hunting Percival Jet Pro Voice T3. Again, 172 scale. I've not built no jets yet, so I'm quite looking forward to doing this one. Item number A02103. I do like the look of this. This does look good. On this side it gives you a couple of pictures of what it's like. It says here, model, design and tooling 2016, decal schemes and pack design 2016. Again, cartograph decals, so this should be good. And this is all you get there. On this side it tells you a little bit about it again. It gives you the 2 schemes you can have. 1 flying hour, skill level 1. Again, I'm looking forward to that. I've never built a jet before, so it should be good. Next, Tamiya. I've built 1 Tamiya kit before, and that was a Chieftain Mark 5 135 scale tank. I right enjoyed it. It went together really well, really easy, and yeah, I'm looking forward to having a go at some of these. So anyway, it's a 148 scale, series number 40. It's a North American P51D Mustang, 8th AF. Don't know what that means. Wingspan of 236mm and a fuselage length of 205mm. On this side it just shows you a little bit about it, tells you about it a bit more. That tells you its item number there, 61004. So that's good. Down this side you get the paint scheme and decal markings for one of the things you can buy, you can build. And on the other side you get the second set of paintings and decal schemes down here. So I'm looking forward to doing that. Next is another Tamiya kit. Again, 148 scale, series number 34. It's a Grumman F4 Wildcat. And yeah, really, I like planes, as you can tell. So I am looking forward to building this one again. Down this side, it just shows you one of the paint schemes and decal schemes you can do. Again, this is a 61034. I don't see no years on these boxes, so I'm not entirely sure. There's a second paint scheme, decal scheme you can do. Oh, 1994 Tamiya. So it's quite an old kit. But I am looking forward to it. It's looks good. My friend went with me and I said to her, I'd like to pick an oddball kit for me to build. Something that I'm not entirely sure and about, or things like that, and this is what we got. So yeah, this is a 135 scale MA4A3 76W whatever Sherman Korean War tank. It's yeah, I've had a look inside this box and you got to build all the tracks individually and things like that. This is going to be a challenge to build, but I'm actually really looking forward to it. It has little lines down this side showing you what you can and can't do. Picture it on that side. Different decal schemes down this side, which I'm quite looking forward to doing. I quite like this one, to be honest. This does look kind of cool, does this one, but how well I'll be able to do it, I don't know. Some QR codes down here to take you to different places. And yeah, we shall see. Yeah. It's an RFM Rifle model, item number 5049 military miniature series. Again, I've got no idea. It's yeah, I've got to do like this scheme. I shall have a go at everything. I've been a fan of Space 1999 since I was a child, and I couldn't pass up getting this. This is obviously the Eagle Transporter. This is the deluxe edition from MPC. Skill level 3, ages 12 plus, multimedia model kit. Some nice screenshot pictures down this side. And down here, 12 inches long plastic model resin laboratory pod and booster pack. Looks good. It really does. Same picture down this side. It just tells you the same thing, shows you another picture of it. And on there, then on the back, it tells you a little bit about Space 1999, and it shows you some more pictures of everything. Shows you the things you can get. It's by Round 2 Models. We don't have a date on it that I can see. I'm just looking now, but I don't see a date when it was manufactured on it. But yeah, this is what I'm looking forward to building as well. I do like sci-fi stuff as well as planes, so I'm quite looking forward to that. Thanks for watching my little mini haul video that I got from the local model show at the weekend. And don't forget, if you like any of my videos, please do like and subscribe.